to use the vocabulary to find some information. So if I were to look at this object, the bagel, and let's say we wanted to place it on our coordinate plane over here to the right, this first piece of information is our ordered pair. Whenever we look at our ordered pair, we always want to think x coordinate first, then y. And that's true every single time. Every single time, we're always going to have our x coordinate followed by our y coordinate. That never changes. So if I wanted to separate those out, the x coordinate would be 3 and the y coordinate would be 6. Seems easy enough, right? Mm-hmm. The next thing that we want to do is we want to plot this on our coordinate graph. So we always want to start at the beginning. And where is the beginning? The origin. We go to the origin marked 0, 0. When we go to the origin, we start with our x line and we travel 3 over. So I'm going to slide over to the number 3. Then I'm going to travel on the y-axis 6 up. I don't even have to count as long as I'm careful because it's labeled for me. And I'm going to put a dot and I'm going to label this 3, 6. And then I'm going to put parentheses around it to show that that is a location in space. Good? If we look at our inkwell, this time they have given us the coordinates separated, but to make an ordered pair, we're simply going to put them together. So what would I write in the x spot, Kobe? What would I write in the x spot? 1. And Kobe, what would I write in the y spot? And so the ordered pair becomes 1, 6. If I want to put this on the graph, Isla, I start at the beginning, the origin. I'm going to travel over one spot on the x-axis. And how many on the y-axis? 6. So we're going to slide up 6. We're going to make a dot where the two lines collide. And we're going to label it 1, 6 with a set of parentheses around it to show that that is a location in space. When I look at the candle, again it is separated, 4, 7. When I put them together, what would be the ordered pair? Anthony? 4, 7. If I want to put this on the coordinate graph, I'm going to start where? Graham? We're going to start at the origin and travel on the x-axis to 4. Travel up the y-axis to 7. And label it with a dot and call it 4, 7. And finally, our cheese. Now, Sophia, at first glance, somebody might think that these are the same.
They are not.
But they are not. You are right. So you have to be careful when you're traveling to make sure that you actually are at the right location. So when I separate the ordered pair, what number is going to go in the x-coordinate column? Kendall. 7 goes first. And Kendall, what would be the y-coordinate? 4. And every time I get ready to travel, where will I need to start? We start at the origin. And from the origin, we're going to go over 7. And we're going to go up 4. And we're going to create a dot. just like that. And we're going to label it 7, 4. So yes, indeed, 7, 4 and 4, 7 are two different locations in space, right? Okay. So I want us to think quickly and reflectively. How would you move on the coordinate plane? What do you need to start with, and how will you travel? Where would I start, JJ?
With the origin.
We always start at the origin. Start at origin. Then, which way would I travel first? Horizontally or vertically? Jackson, how am I going to travel once I start at the origin?
You're gonna go to X.
Yes. Travel X first. Then Y. What questions can I answer for you?